Yeah, guys, I'm going to be your discussant in biology, and biology is very interesting, and it's a very interesting subject. And when we are beginning this subject, we are going to begin with the respiration, that topic of respiration. You know, the body, there are many chemical reactions taking place in our body. All of them require energy. To get this energy, they have to get it from cellular respiration. That 8P. To use it, it comes from respiration. So respiration is a very important process in our body. So what is respiration? Respiration is the process by which respiratory substances are broken down to release energy. There are two types of respiration. There is anaerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, while anaerobic respiration doesn't require oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, we can take an example maybe in a fermentation process. That's why anaerobic respiration can take place, maybe even in the muscle cells which produce lactic acid. Glucose is broken down to two molecules of pyruvic acid. Now, this process of breaking down of glucose into two molecules of pyruvic acid takes place in both anaerobic and aerobic processes of respiration. So now we are going to look at the steps involved in anaerobic respiration. We are seeing that glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound, is broken down to two pyruvic molecules, which is a 3-carbon compound. Now this is the process called glycolysis, and this step takes place in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So as you can see that if we are to talk about anaerobic respiration in the process of yeast, we are seeing that this glucose is broken down to two pyruvic acid molecules, and then it will be converted into ethanol, the two molecules of ethanol, as you can see here, plus two molecules of a carbon compound and two molecules of carbon dioxide. Now, in muscle cells, the two pyruvic acid molecule will be converted into lactic acid, which accumulates and causes that fatigue which someone feels, that fatigue. But here, no carbon dioxide is released. So in summary, in yeast, glucose is broken down for ethanol plus carbon dioxide. In animals, glucose is broken down to produce lactic acid. Now, these are the steps which take place in the case of anaerobic respiration in animals and in plants. Now,
Sum up.
Now, if we are to talk about the steps that take place in aerobic respiration, in summary, we shall look at glycolysis, which is the first step in both. 2, we shall look at the Krebs cycle. 3, we shall look at the electron transport chain, and then oxidative phosphorylation. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video, and you can also comment and I can improve. Okay.